Forgotten username recovery failed on PayPal Business Fix. If your PayPal Business username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume PayPal still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that PayPal now relies on your registered email address as your primary login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the PayPal app or go to the website. Enter the email address linked to your business account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from PayPal, such as payment confirmations, invoices, or account notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using the same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact PayPal Business Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. PayPal removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and business funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your PayPal business account and payments in minutes.